Did a usability test comparing tasks on the music platforms Spotify and Pandora. I'm going to walk you through one of Spotify's functions that rated a perfect score. This is the function that I just new means new for me or the user and does not came out, so it could be from any era. It depends on your preferences. Here is Spotify. When I scroll down, there's a section that is titled Made for Emily Gabriel. That's my username. And when you click on that, here you see daily mixes. They're numbered 1 through 6. These are made by Spotify for me, combining similar artists made up of some music that I know already and they know that I play a lot of, and some that I've never heard by artists that I like. Aside from the 6 different mixes, there are 3 other sections, and these are not based completely on music that I've already heard. One is the release radar. This shows brand new songs. You see here, they came out 5 days ago. That's when they were added to Spotify. They're not necessarily brand new in the world, but this is the first time they've ever ended up on Spotify. Some are famous, like the Rolling Stones. Some, for instance, this one, Just Saw is my roommate, so it can be indie bands or big stars. And the others, this is Daily Wellness, and that is a mixture of music that I do listen to often. I know every song that's on here, but it intersperses them with meditations for the day, and those change every single day. This is Discover Weekly, and that is the function which got it such a high score. This is the best avenue of discovering new music on the platform, and you see here it's 30 songs long, and it changes every week. All of them are added only a few days ago, and they are made up of albums that Spotify knows I've never heard. They are by artists that I don't follow yet, but they do have sounds that Spotify's algorithm know I lean towards. I've never heard any songs on this list, and I only actually recognized probably 4 of the artists here. When I do like a song, I can just follow the artist. I'll show you how this is done. So if I listen to the song, then I like it, I can go to the artist here, and I can click follow, and now anything new that ever comes out by them, I'll be notified of. I also can go here and click like, and now it is added to my liked songs, which will show up here in a playlist of its own. As I go on every week, I can like and follow whatever is new for me that week, and it just makes the Discovery Weekly more intuitive as we go.